Hello, today we will discuss how to display top N and bottom N customers in a single sheet. In this video, we will use index function, size function, and a parameter to capture user input of N. Let's start connecting to sample superstore data source. Drag customer name to rows and profit to text. Apply descending sort on the profit. Let's add index function and size function. Index function is a table calculation in Tableau. It returns the position of the current row in a partition. It returns a sequential number and the first row index starts at 1. Here we can see that the records are indexed starting from 1 to 800. Size function returns the number of rows in the partition. Here we have total number of 800 records. Let's create a parameter to capture user input for N. Click the drop-down and select Create Parameter. Let's name it as Select N Value. Here, N value will be integer. Select Range from allowable values. We can set minimum as 1, maximum as 100, and step size as 1. Click OK and the parameter is created. Let's enable Show Parameter. Let's consider the N value as 5. Look at the data displayed on screen. To get the top 5 values, we have to consider rows having index value less than or equal to 5, that is from 1 to 5. To get the bottom 5 values, we have to consider rows having index value greater than 795. To achieve this, we have to subtract the required number of records from total number of records, that is 800 minus 5, which will give us records from 796 to 800. So now let's create a calculated field to get the top N and bottom N customers based on profit using index function and size function. Click on the drop-down and select Create Calculated Field. Let's name it as top and bottom N. We will use if function. To get the top N values, we have to consider rows having index value less than or equal to N, where N value is provided by parameter select N value. Similarly, to get the bottom N values, we have to subtract the N value from the total number of records, where N value is provided by parameter select N value. We can consider the remaining records as others. The N formula would look like this. Let's drag the calculated field onto rows. We can see the top 5 rows are displayed as top N, bottom 5 rows are displayed as bottom N, and the remaining rows are displayed as others. To display only top and bottom records, let's filter out others. Let's drag the calculated field to filters and exclude others. Now we can see the top N and bottom N customers in a single sheet. Let's change the visual. To display profit value, drag profit to label. You can use different color for customer names by dragging the customer name to color. To display top N and bottom N in different color, let's drag the calculated field to color. We can modify the color as per need. Hope this was useful. Thank you.